Popular entertainer Capleton is now in police custody after he was arrested on Friday, May the 11th and charged with rape.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Detectives assigned to the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offense and Child Abuse, CSOCA, have arrested and charged popular entertainer Clifton Bailey, otherwise called Capleton, for rape. The charges were laid against the 51-year-old entertainer on Friday. Reports from the police are that on Saturday, April 28, about 11:20 a.m., Bailey reportedly hired a female hairdresser to groom his hair at a hotel in New Kingston. Whilst at the hotel, it is reported that he forcibly had sexual intercourse with her. The matter was reported to the police and an investigation launched. Bailey was subsequently charged after a question and answer interview was conducted in the presence of his attorney. He is to appear before the St. Andrew Parish Court on Monday, May the 14th. Since the incident, the attorney representing the reggae artist has refuted the claims and have accused the female of trying to extort his client. "I am confident that my client will be exonerated," Christopher Townsend said. The attorney revealed that there is a dual investigation being conducted by the police force because the young lady who made the report is also being investigated for extortion. If the justice system works how it ought to work, then he ought to be freed. I do believe that all of Jamaica should be concerned. Justice is in jeopardy. It shows that there is a lack of control and a clear fault in the decision-making process. One arm of the force is doing something and another arm is doing something. It is the same issue. It is clear to everyone that you must combine the two, but everyone is afraid to make the decision," Townsend said. He is relying on the system to work. It has failed him so far. Although the police have the authority to grant station bail, and it is not unusual in circumstances like this, it has not been done. Once again, it is a failed decision. People are afraid of their shadows. Reports from the artist's management team are that he made a report to a constable on May the 2nd that a woman had been attempting to extort money from him after a sexual encounter days earlier. It is also believed that the woman made a report to the police on May 2. The police say later that day the entertainer went to the Halfway Tree police station and reported a case of extortion against the woman. Claims from the entertainer are that after the sexual encounter, the woman allegedly complained that she had a cyst on her ovary and had been admitted to hospital for treatment. And according to Capleton's management, that was a lie. The management team claimed that the alleged victim then sent one of her daughters, a 19-year-old, to pick up snacks from the DJ, but the demands did not subside. The management camp claimed Capleton refused to cooperate once the woman demanded a large sum of money to allow her to be a part of a round robin. A round robin is a financial partnership where an event is held at strict intervals and where the group of people in the said consortium or partnership are expected to contribute and attend. Sources from the management team of the entertainer said police, both the Halfway Tree CIB and officials from CSOCA, are in possession of text messages and conversations relating to the matter. Interesting development. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.